If you're a musician, content creator, podcaster, or voice actor looking to build a home studio, then stay tuned because this could be the only setup you'll ever need. When it comes to building a home studio, there are a few essentials that everyone needs, like a computer, some sort of recording software, a pair of headphones, and most importantly, something that can both capture and process your audio, which is what we're going to be focusing in this video. To capture audio, you'll need a microphone, and the one that I chose for this setup is the Lewitt Ray. This mic currently retails for $349. It comes included with amazing accessories and it sounds incredible for recording both vocals and even acoustic instruments. But the main reason why it's my top recommendation is because as of the time of shooting this video, it's the only microphone ever made with voice autofocus. Naturally, the closer you get to a microphone, the more bass response you're going to get, which is known as proximity effect. But then as you move around, it can have a pretty drastic difference in the tone and in the volume of your voice. But once you engage the Aura technology, whether you're really close to the mic, at a regular distance, or even if you're far away, it's going to maintain both the volume and tone of your voice. But why is this useful? Well, let's say you're a singer or maybe you work with singers. You probably noticed that no one performs an entire song being completely still. Right? Some people, when they want to sound intimate, they may get really close to the mic, and then when they want to belt really high notes, they might back away from the microphone. So just by having this feature, it's really going to help to minimize post-production. This microphone also comes included with a built-in mute button, which is very useful for live streaming and podcasting. So for example, let's pretend I'm doing a live stream and then I need to cough, so I just go ahead and click it. And there you go, the sound comes back on. Also, by holding the mute button, you can program it to engage based on your distance from the microphone. So once again, let's pretend I'm doing a live stream and then I need to cough. And then there you go, it completely removed that sound from the recording. However, something you might have noticed is that you can't really plug this microphone straight into your computer because it only has an XLR connection. For that reason, you will need an XLR cable and something to go between the microphone and the computer. And of course, I'm talking about an audio interface. This device is going to take the analog sound that we hear in the real world, convert it into a digital signal, and then send it to your computer for processing. And the interface I chose for this setup is the Lewitt Connect 2. This interface currently retails for $199 and it comes with all of the functions that you need to get started recording. It has one input for your microphone, one instrument input for your guitar and bass. You can also connect up to one pair of studio monitors and your headphones. But the main reason why this is my top recommendation is because of its auto setup feature. This is a game changer, especially for beginners, because all you need to do is plug your microphone or your instrument, click on auto setup, and then within less than 20 seconds, the interface is going to set all of the levels for you. It's going to make sure that the audio isn't too loud or too quiet. It's going to be set just right. This way, you don't need to worry about the technical side of recording and can just focus on creating. The Connect 2 also comes included with Lewitt's Control Center software, which is also very easy to use. In it, you'll find 3 EQ settings, a built-in compressor, a clip guard, which is going to prevent your audio from ever clipping or distorting, and a denoiser, which is going to help to remove background noise from your recordings. Because let's face it, most of us are trying to record in less than ideal workspaces, so just by having this feature, it's really going to help to clean up your audio. Here's a quick example. This is what the signal sounds like with my air conditioning going on the back. And this is the signal with the denoiser turned on. By the way, if you're getting value out of this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So now let me show you really quickly how to get started recording in less than 2 minutes. First, plug your microphone into the Lewitt Connect 2, then open up the Control Center software and click on Auto Setup. Next, we're just going to follow the prompts. The Lewitt Ray is a condenser microphone. I want to leave the high pass filter turned off. And now I'm going to talk for 10 seconds so you can set a good level for my voice. For the EQ, I'm going to leave it in the clean setting. I also want to add a bit of compression. And if you're working in a very noisy environment, go ahead and engage the denoiser. I'm just going to be quiet for a few seconds so we can measure the room noise. And to prevent the audio from clipping, I'm gonna leave the clip guard turned on. Alright, so now we have perfect audio going in. Next, open up whatever recording software you use. In my case, it's going to be Logic Pro. Go ahead and create a new project. Make sure that both your input and output devices are set to connect to. Then create a new audio track. Next, go into your settings, and if your recording software has this function, make sure to enable low latency monitoring. And once you're ready to get started recording, enable your track and press record. If you want to buy the mic or the interface, the links are down in the description below. And if you want to take that same recording to the next level, then make sure to click on this video and I'll show you how to mix vocals recorded on this exact microphone model.